what South by Southwest and the challenge that we're trying to really amplify with South by Southwest is increased representation. So we created the second unofficial guide this year, and we did some analysis, year-over-year analysis, and we found that there was a significant decrease in the number of panels that are being available at South by Southwest this year around queer ideas and queer experience. So being here at South by Southwest allows me the opportunity to actually represent the community in a way that, it may not be represented as much as we'd like, at the panels this year, but also gives me the opportunity to amplify those voices and to also call out on people to say like, hey, we're here, we exist, we're part of the industry, we're part of the space, we've got great ideas, talk to us and let us share our knowledge and our POV and then let's work together collectively to try to advance that, especially in a space like Texas and overall in this country where there's so much legislation that's being put into place to squash our ability to just be able to have access to healthcare and to be able to have access to opportunities or to even feel safe in situations where DEIBA is being shut down at colleges and universities and some organizations. So, it's incredibly important to be here and represent the community. So I appreciate it.
I just got chills that it really means so much, like being also a part of the LGBTQ+IA community. Like it speaks volumes for what you're doing in the community and also in the ad tech and ad industry.
Yeah.